In this section, we will be looking into the filter functions in DAX. Problem statement. For each category, calculate the percentage of total order. So in this demo, we will be looking into the all function. Now with the help of all function, any filter that might have been applied to your table gets ignored. So you can use the all function in cases where you want to perform calculation by removing all filters, if any, on all the columns in your table. So let's get started with the demo. I will go to the report view. And here you can see that we have the total order quantity calculated for each category name. Now what I want to do is, I want to calculate the percentage of total order for each category. So normally how we would do it, we would divide the order quantity in each category by the total order quantity, which is this, and find the percentage. So for example, I should divide 50632 by 75090 to find out the percentage for the category accessories. But at the same time, I have to make sure that even if I apply any filter, the total, which is 75090, should not change. It should remain the same. What I mean to say is, no matter what category I select, this total should be the grand total of all the categories and not just the selected categories. So for that, to make sure that no filters are active, we use the all filter. So let us see how we can do it. So I will add a new measure. And I'll call this all order. Equal to, and then I'll start with the calculate function. Now for expression, I will give the total order quantity. So this is the measure that we created earlier, and then comma. Now the next argument is filter, but in this case I do not want any filter. What I want to do is, I want to remove the filter if there is any. So for that, I'll use the all function. Now here, the argument table name or column name, this is where you provide the name of the table or column from where you want to remove all the filters. So in this case, it is the sales table. So that is what I am giving here. Close the bracket, and we are done with the all function. Now put one more closing bracket so that we are done with the calculate function. Now I will hit enter. Okay, so now we have the all order measure under the all DAX table. I'll drag and drop it over here. So you can see that value over here is the total order. No matter what the category is, there is no filtration, and the value is the same as the total order, which is 75090. Now, if instead of this category name, I add the subcategory name to the rows field, you can see that still the all order value is same across each subcategory. Now, although the total order quantity for each subcategory is different, the value for all order is the same. Now for this demo, let me remove all other columns from this matrix. So I will remove total revenue, and then total returned quantity, and then return percentage as well, so that we only have the required columns that we are considering for this example. Now this all order will be used just as a bridge to calculate the order percentage for each category. So let us now calculate the percentage. For that, I'll add a new measure. and I'll call this percentage of order. Now what we can use here is a simple formula, which is total order quantity divided by all order, and press enter. Here we have the percentage of order measure, so I'll drag and drop it to the matrix. So here you can see that the percentage is calculated, but we need to change the format of this. Right now it is showing in decimals, but what we want it in is percentage. So for that, just go over here and click on the measure, and then go to the measure tools, and under formatting just click on this. This will display the value in percentage. So you can see that now it shows as percentage. Now I no more need this all order measure, so I can remove this from the matrix. So I'll remove it from here. So here we now have the total order quantity and percentage of order. So if there is any filter that has been applied to a table or a column, you can remove all of those using the all function. Now similar to the all function, there is another function called the all except function, which clears all the filters except the filter that have been applied on a specified column.